If you think earthquakes only happen in California, think again. Yukon's got a hidden danger right under its feet. Here's what you need to know. A 1,000-kilometer fault called the Tintina runs right through Yukon, and part of it, near Dawson City, can unleash earthquakes bigger than magnitude 7.5. That's major. The last one hit 12,000 years ago, but the fault's been building tension ever since, enough to move the ground 20 feet. Scientists spotted this threat with satellites and drones, seeing scars and jumbled land left by ancient quakes. If this fault slips, it could shake up towns, highways, and mines. Don't panic. The risk is real, but not immediate. Still, Canada's hazard maps are about to get a big update. Stay curious and stay safe.